My name is Jesus Velasco. We just recently hired and contracted with Istueta Roofing to do a repair on part of our roof. We came out, started working on the roof, and as they were going ahead and scraping off some of the area that needed to be repaired, we had a slight collapse of our inside ceiling as a result of some termite damage that had occurred on the beams. Make a long story short, they went ahead and very, very quickly began to replace all the plywood sheets on that portion of the roof. They ended up replacing all of the asphalt sheets, the various covers that needed to be done. I would gladly recommend Istueta Roofing to my family, friends, and co-workers. They are a quality organization and take pride in the work that they do.